So there's a drag event tomorrow and we're just out here on the road trying to dial in the launch control for the 180. Matt's going to be driving the 180 tomorrow at the drag event. He's just out here practicing some launches. So Matt's done just about 10 launches up here on the road and the water temp is at 99 degrees Celsius. So it's a bit high, so we're going to just let it cool down a bit. But I think he's got it pretty good at the moment up here on the road.
I was practicing bush over there. I was like sweet, I finished my skid and I pulled up to the bush. I was just like practicing lining up and then launching. Not so hard to launch just off a launch, but when you're like on the moment, you've got to get it perfectly timed. I did a couple all the way through second gear up to thirds. I think I got a pretty good feel for it. See what it's like on the track, because it'll behave differently on the track. Like we'll warm the tires out before a run and the track's prepped.
The morning now, we're on our way to BP to meet up with Greg. The drags open at 9 and I think racing starts at 10.
Yeah.
So we just got to BP. Greg's already here. There he is.
Chuck 20 bucks in.
It's a squid. You're gonna put a bit of gas in?
Yeah, I just put like 10 litres in. Done the backs, we dropped them down to 22 psi and I'm just pumping the fronts up to 38.
Sweet, so we're all good to go? We got our gas and...
The rears were at like 43 psi, I think. Well, I dropped it down to 22.
Sweet, so we're now on our way to the drags. To the dragway, so we get to the scrutiny line. There's no one in the line yet. I don't even think it's open yet.
Car, you've got to have the aircon. Aircon, come on, street car.
Last time I went on the GT, I was like, you probably run 11s.
As long as you do better than 12.5, I'll be happy.
I want to beat that, because that'll be like a new PB. I'm confident that it can do it.
So drags are starting now. Matt and Greg are going to line up. About to come on now. Pretty stoked that the weather held off. Track looks pretty good.
Yeah.
I think they got like third 10, the 13s, but I couldn't really see properly. It's so hard to see. What did you get?
13.2.
What did you get?
12.9.
That's so weird. He said 12 and yours said 13, but yours like came off first.
He beat me because like from the green light, but I launched slightly later.
Ah.
Yeah, so he got the win, but I got the faster time.
So the boys are lining up again. I think they both did like a really not that so good run. Look at this bus. That's a pretty cool bus. Who brings a bus down the drags? That bus just ran at 10. No way. Well, here are the boys. better launch from Matt. I think it looked like you got a 12.5. I couldn't quite see. I think Greg did a miss start or something. It said 14 seconds. Other boys.
That's 12.5.
That was a way better launch.
It still can do more, I reckon. Yeah, I felt it go like I reckon 1 or 2 more clicks.
Yeah.
Turn it up another 2, and then its second gear grips way better than on the street tires.
Yeah.
Like it does brake traction, but like this, I used to have to feather it, but now I just send it. And it's
I think you're revving it out pretty good, but maybe just a little bit too much.
a little bit later,
Yeah.
a fraction, I thought it was going to 8. I think it goes to about 7, 8. Put down there, change. Yeah, nah, get in there. I like went to go preload, and then I thought it was like nothing at all, and then I heard your 2-step, and I thought that was my clutch, and I was like, holy crap. And then like you went, and then I was like, oh no, it's all good. Oh, that was first run. My last run was that. I'll try that.
Still did have a little bit of wheel spin though on that last one.
But I once I gripped it, kind of went, ugh, I think it can go a bit more. But we'll see.
This is like a fun day drags. They're allowing passengers. So I'm going to be a passenger on this one, and I'm going to be filming my reaction. This is my first ever time being like down a drag strip. I think it'll be a good like leeway for me to actually driving the car down the drags, like being a passenger first. Got my helmet on. Here we go, we're lining up to do the skid.
How are you feeling?
A bit
Are you
nervous.
nervous?
A little bit. That grips up so hard.
Yeah, that's second gear skid.
Here we go.
I need to concentrate. I need to come back.
Oh my gosh, that's so fast.
We skidded a bit and
Oh, was it overheating?
it's just at 100 degrees. So yeah, water's getting up.
Probably give it a break, eh?
Yeah, I think it's needs a rest. I don't know, that one skidded a little bit.
It's fun being a passenger, but I don't know if I could drive that fast.
Yeah, it was a 12.5.
Another 12.5. Didn't you get 12.5 last time?
Yeah, but it was a 12.596 last time.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Just stuck on one already. Was it a 7 stroke? Wait, I think use the gauge. But then you look at the stock gauge.
stock one just went
this
down
is
a
normal,
little.
bro. Your fans don't run off that though, eh? No, they run off that 55. It was
So
just
the
like
gauge is working now.
just ground was a bit loose. We were getting the wrong joint.
So it didn't overheat. Matt's gone as a passenger and Greg's RX7. How was that being a passenger?
That was a good, eh? Like, I feel pretty comfortable. It's just like you're definitely moving at the end. Like you're going pretty fast at the end over the finish point.
So Matt's in the line in the 180, he's almost at the front, and he's got Greg as a passenger. Here's Matt and Greg in the 180. Matt's about to get smoked by this competitor car. $12.09.
12.89. Yeah.
I think that screen is like broken. Like I think the middle
Yeah.
line doesn't show.
Yeah.
So best so far is still 12.5, right?
Yeah. I've run 2 12.5s today.
I'm gonna be hopping in Greg's RX7. So I'm with Greg in his RX7. We're rolling up, just about to do the skid. It feels a lot different than like the 180 did.
Yeah, like it seems to like have like a little bit of turbo lag like between gears.
Yeah.
Kind of like it's soft and then like feels boost again. Whereas Max is like every time you change gear you just straight back into it.
Yeah.
That might be interesting. That's my best run is 12.3, so I have to see if it's better than my best one. Yeah.
That felt real quick, like in this.
That was my best 12.3.
Yeah. Like if I got third, I don't know, it's still, my launch was like, I just lost so much traction. Yeah.
What side you're on? I reckon that left side's way better.
Wait, but look at our 60, 1.8, 1.9.
But then I just let, like I didn't fully let it out,
Yeah.
I just kind of let it slip
Your
a little
launch was
bit.
really good.
And it was just, and then it was good, and then it just skidded like a little bit right at the top, but then it was like all good.
A broken screen. It looked like Greg got a 1208. Here are the boys. Was that a 1208? Yeah, that was quick. Yeah, that launch was real good. I reckon you got the launches down pat.
That's so good. That's like, bro, you were just like, no.
I didn't just go like that, I just kind of softly let it out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What did you get?
12.9.
So I'm in the 180 with Matt again.
We're gonna try it without launch control. This is just too, we're not getting good results with it. So remember, you're on my switch.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what happened there.
That felt pretty quick.
I think the launch could have been a fraction better, but that felt like a good run.
It threw me back in my seat and like I couldn't reach it.
Oh, very slight bonk, but it was pretty good. Thank you. 12.525.
So we just did a run. I didn't video it. My camera's gone flat, so I'm just on my phone now. But Matt just did another run and he beat his PB.
PB 12.4.
Got a 12.4. Where is it? There it is. 12.42.
Yeah.
And that was without launch control.
No launch control. I think the launch control is just can't get the traction it needs. We're just revving it and dumping. We can just find the best place where it grips. Taylor has to flick the switch from low to high boost. Low boost doesn't have launch control, but high boost does. That's where you get it turned off.
So you think we get it turned off?
Probably, yeah.
That's Greg over there. He's getting towed by a quad bike.
His clutch left the chat. He left the line, he went straight to limiter, and then we could just smell it. It just smelled like clutch, like the GTR last time. Did you not know you can't park at the end?
way down as I was rolling, and it was like making that sound.
Down the strip?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Because I could still, could be welded on, bro.
Nah, because then you wouldn't be
Because it's not disengaging. It might be like
but it wasn't, but it was going, but it wasn't going forward. It's almost like what I was doing last time, but more intense. Oh, it's supposed to start in gear, eh?
It won't even go there. What have you pumped it, bro?
I just tried that.
Can you put it in second?
Clutch isn't engaging.
Matt and I are on our way home now. We're going to pick up our trailer to bring back to Trailer Greg's RX7. It was a pretty successful day though, other than
We beat our best time. Launch control wasn't really working in the end, so we ditched it and then did better. This run was a pretty good run.